Hey guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing well. If it's your first time here, hello there. My name is Zainab and welcome to my channel. If you haven't subscribed, please take a moment to subscribe and don't forget to on the notification bell so when I drop a new video you're going to be the first to get notified. So today we are going to be making Afghanistan Palau. This is totally different than other palaus that you guys know, so stay tuned and watch until to the end. Okay, first we need 4 glasses of basmati rice, which I already wash and soak. I would suggest you to use basmati rice for best result. So here we got our buns. This is a 400 gram of just plain buns. This is gonna give extra flavors in our rice. And here we got our meat. So you can use any meat of your choice. You can use chicken or lamb. This is beef, so we're not going to cut the meat. This is how we're gonna be cooking. And yeah, I'm going to wash nicely before adding in the pot. Okay, so I already washed my meat. Now I'm adding in the pot. I'm going to add some spices as well. Next we're going to add 2 tablespoons of crushed ginger, half teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 tablespoons of salt, and here we got 3 black cardamom seed, 5 green cardamom seed, cloves about 10. And now we're going to add our buns as well. Next I'm going to be adding 2 liters of water. It's depending of how much rice you are making. Because it's 4 cups of rice, I'm gonna need about 7 to 8 cups of water. So this is the same water which we're gonna be using to cook our rice. Okay, so now I'm going to just let it boil until the meat is tender. While waiting for meat to cook, I'm going to be showing you guys the rest of ingredients which we're going to be using in our cooking process. Here we got cinnamon sticks and mixed raisins. We got white and black, and here we got dry plums. This is cashew nuts, some almonds, and also we'll need chili paste. Here is crushed carrots, some tomatoes, and sliced ginger, 1 large onion. In this plate we got black pepper, garam masala, crushed coriander seeds, black pepper, chili flakes, lemon, salt, and also we got chili powder. And lastly we'll need oil for cooking. Okay guys, so the meat, it has been boiling for 20 minutes. It's nice and soft at this point. So what we're gonna do is to just remove from the pot, and we're going to set the side for later. And for the buns, we don't need any more. We're going to just throw it away. And also we're going to remove excess ginger which we added when we boiled the meat, because we don't really need. So yeah. So now we're going to be preparing the rice sauce. For that we need oil in the pot and fry onion until it's light golden. After the onion is light golden, we're going to add ginger, and we're going to fry for about 1-2 minutes. So yeah, this is gonna give also a nice aroma in the rice or in the sauce which we are preparing. So after that, we're going to add tomatoes. So now we're going to be adding the spices. This is crushed chili, and this is black pepper, salt, chili powder, garam masala, lemon, and here we got crushed coriander. So here we got also our chili paste. So now we're going to just give a good stir, and also going to add some water because we don't want our pot to burn. And now we're going to add the rest of ingredients which is left, except the cashew nuts, almonds, and raisins that we're gonna be using later. So we're going to cook the sauce for about 5 minutes until the tomato is nice and soft. Okay, it's been 5 minutes since we are cooking our sauce, and it's done. Now we're going to add 7 cups of water which we saved for meat earlier. So we're going to wait for the pot to boil. Once it's boiling, we're going to add our rice. Okay, now we're going to just give a good stir to just bring everything together, and we're going to cover the pot and cook the rice in low to medium flame. So we're going to wait until the water it goes down a little bit like this, so it's not dry. As you can see, still have water. So now we're going to add the crushed carrots and the nuts which it was left. So this is cashew nuts and also almonds. We're going to add also the raisins. After adding all the nuts, now we're going to add the meat just on the top of the rice. After adding everything together, we're going to cover the rice and put on steam for about 10 minutes. You have to make sure your flame is very slow. So we're going to just wait for 10 minutes and our rice is going to be done.